Hi everyone, Mike here with the BFH Garage. I'm here with some good news and I'm here with some bad news. Let's start off with the bad news. First, if your name is Richard Felbab, the bad news is you won this grill, but failed to claim it. Now, the good news for everybody else is that you are now eligible to be drawn next. Now, I just want to be clear that this drawing was open only to Colorado residents who subscribe to my YouTube channel, the BFH Garage, between the date that the garage first started and September 30th at 5 p.m. If you weren't subscribed in that time frame, don't worry because I'm going to be having more giveaways, another one coming up pretty soon. So stay subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered. Now, before I pick the next winner, I want to make sure everybody understands that the same rules apply. I am going to give you 7 days in which to claim this grill. That means you have until October 16th at 5 p.m. to contact me at thebfhgarage@gmail.com. If the new winner ends up not being a Colorado resident, then I will move on to yet another drawing. We'll put the people over in the losers list. And without further ado, let's announce our winner. Craig Kaiser. Craig Kaiser, you are next up for this grill. You need to reach out to me at thebfhgarage@gmail.com. Again, that's thebfhgarage@gmail.com. And lastly, to everybody else, thank you for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. I enjoy giving these kinds of things away, so stay tuned and you could be the next winner.